Here are 15 two-ingredient breakfasts ranked by ease and staying power. Number 15. Almonds and a banana. It is the fastest option, but also the simplest. Number 14. Apple and peanut butter. Crunchy, sweet, and easy when you have no time, packed with fiber and protein. Number 13. Greek yogurt and honey. It feels like a treat, but only takes seconds to make. Number 12. Cottage cheese and pineapple. Cold, bright, and surprisingly satisfying, with tons of protein. Number 11. Cottage cheese and strawberries. Same idea, but a little fresher. Number 10. Banana and almond butter. Soft, rich, and perfect when breakfast has to be portable. Number 9. Whole grain toast and avocado. Simple, filling, and hard to mess up, and has a great mix of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Number 8. Whole grain toast and eggs. More effort, but more breakfast energy. Number 7. Chia seeds and milk. Prep it ahead of time so your morning becomes automatic. Number 6. Oatmeal and blueberries. Warm, familiar, and easy to repeat. Number 5. Greek yogurt and berries. Fast, balanced, and actually feels like a real meal. Number 4. Smoothie with banana and protein powder. Best when you need breakfast in one hand. Number 3. Eggs and spinach. Minimal ingredients, maximum breakfast feel. Number 2. Oatmeal and peanut butter. Warm, creamy, and built for busy mornings. Number 1. Egg whites and avocado. Simple, filling, and one of the healthiest two-ingredient breakfast options on this list. Which one would you actually eat tomorrow morning?